snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video I am wearing my green shirt because we are testing out Pinterest slime recipes. So this video was originally going to be called DIY slime 5 different ways, but it quickly turned into testing out Pinterest slime recipes because it became a disaster. So out of the recipes that I tried out, only one worked. So that's why I decided to switch the video into testing out Pinterest slime recipes. So let's get on into it.
So you'll get more of my feedback at the end of this video, but this was the best recipe out of all of them. And so if you want to make slime from my recipe, you can just add a little bit of glitter to it. You can add a little bit of body wash. You can make all of the slimes in the picture I had beforehand of all the different slime recipes, but just use this recipe and add in glitter or body wash or essential oil, and then you can pretty much make whatever slime you want using this recipe.
So as you can see here, I have a huge list of the 5 different ways I was going to show you how to make slime today. And what happened was the first one that I made, which is this one right here, turned out perfect consistency of slime. It worked out perfect. Then I put glitter in it. It kind of changed the consistency a bit, but as you can tell, it's still slimy. But then I went to make the second one, which is 2 cups of flour, half a cup of glitter, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I made that, and you saw the disaster that came from making that. Now that was the main ingredients to the rest of the other 3 slimes I was going to teach you how to make today. So I threw that one away since, as you could tell, it looked like it was shredded paper, like shredded newspaper. I took the same recipe as this one for this one, except I added gel, like shower gel. And as you can see, this one turned out being really weird. It breaks apart really easy. It's not really slime, but it just kind of breaks apart and reminds me a lot of like the wet ingredients you'd make to like make chalk. Like it breaks apart super easy. So the conclusion of this video of testing out Pinterest recipes of slime, I have found that the main recipe right here, which is 1 cup conditioner, 2 cups cornstarch, is the winner. And basically you should take this recipe and you can add glitter, you can add a tablespoon of shower gel, you could put a little bit of essential oils in it, but this one is definitely the winner. As you can see, things did not go my way in this video at all, and that's totally fine. That happens sometimes in videos. But let me know down below what your favorite slime recipe is, and if you were able to make any of the recipes I was talking about that didn't work in this video actually work. I'd really like to know. So I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!